Welcome to Animal Bricks. We hope you enjoy. This puppy has a unique way of getting in the water.
When you're ready.
I am. Oh, sorry.
Okay, ready, Cookie? Cookie, ready? Hold on, hold on.
He is stuck in between the two barbecues, and he doesn't know how to get out of his predicament without falling. Oh my god. Jerry.
These kittens were rescued when they were 4 weeks old, so they are really greedy for their food.
No. You did. You did.
This paraglider landed in the wrong neighborhood.
What's up, Skip? Hey, back off! Back off! Go away! Fucking kangaroos.
Here is cute footage of a raccoon enjoying dinner with the family.
Ouch, sticker.
Go gather them all up for me, so I don't step on any.
If you are enjoying this video, please like and subscribe. If you don't like and subscribe, you must hate all animals.
This creative cat found a fun method of getting down the stairs.
So it turns out chickens don't like the sound of like sheep, which makes it handy when you want to go in and get the water trailer out. Bah!
If you enjoyed this short video, please like and subscribe. If you don't like and subscribe, that means you hate all animals.